Hello interwebs, how are you doing? I'm at my parents' house. We're going to rebuild their porch with stone floor and glass walls and doors, and it's going to be really pretty when it's done. I just want to show you here how it is at the moment. Now my dad and his neighbors looking funny at me because I'm standing here talking to my phone. Yeah, it's like this at the moment. Yeah. Do you see this? Do you see this? It's amazing. This is their house. There is where they are rebuilding, and here's the lake. It's simply wonderful. So this is how it looks. Wave to the internet, Dad.
Sorry?
Wave to the internet.
Hello, internet.
Hello.
Hello, internet. We can't start the engine.
That's very bad.
Yeah.
Maybe I should try and do something then. I will get back to you in a little while. I will show you the progress as it progresses. Yeah, something like that. Okay, bye for now. This is progress so far. Yeah, I'm quiet. Don't have much to say. I'll keep you updated in a short while again. Bye. So this is a few hours later, and we have gotten this far. Let's see if we can get a closer look here. Ooh, I see the neighbor's cat. He loves to cuddle and get pets. Here he comes. Auto pet. Hello, Victor. Hello. Yeah, he's so cute. He's so cute. Say hi to the internet. Say hi to the internet. Oh, he doesn't want to say hi. Well, I say hi for you. For him. Okay, bye-bye for now.
Also, Matthias is actually working. He's shoveling some kind of sand. It's hard work, but he's doing very good. Hi, Matthias. Is it hard work, Matthias?
Yes, very heavy.
Wow.
But at least it's getting along very well. So we are soon done here. At least with this part. Just like DudeLikeHELLA, our neighbor's cat is also quite broken. Oh, but he likes pets. Look at this. Yeah, so good. Yeah. And when I stop, oh, pity. Yes, broken cat wants pets. Yeah. Okay, goodbye. Goodbye, cat. This is how far we got this weekend. We need to just finish up and even out the sand, and then it's putting on the stone plates, and then it's done. But I don't know how long that will take. So say goodbye for this weekend, Daddy.
Bye bye.
Okay. this is the end of this vlog. It's been over 3 days now, and I will have a good night's sleep. Okay, bye bye.